Hello, I'm Noraline Ginto, owner of Microgreen Enrile or the Mula, based in Enrile, Cagayan. Before YFC, I was caught to be in a rat race. Waking up early, commuting for hours, working tirelessly. Nakakapagod kasi trabaho ka ngayon, then matutulog ka, then kakain, then repeat. Then work, eat, sleep, then repeat. I just knew nung umuwi ako na I want to start my own business. Until nakita ko ang YFC sa Facebook. And then nakita ko rin na may nanalo na sa Enrile. And then I used my past experience kasi I'm from Pampanga. So alam naman natin na Pampanga is the culinary capital of the Philippines. Naalala ko nga yung ginagamit nila sa pang-garnish, salads, and even shakes. So, nag-research ako. So, ang pangalan pala nun is microgreens. And then, nalaman ko pa kung ano ang potential niyang nabibigay sa katawan nating mga tao. So, nag-decide ako na yun ang engage ko. So, nag-engage ako sa microgreens. And then, upon researching, ako pala ang kauna-unahang mag-engage nito sa Region 2. Actually, gusto ko lang talaga tong itry nung una. And hindi ko in-expect na I'll make it this far. But I know meron itong market opportunities sa microgreens. And buti na lang, nakita ito ng YFC at ng mga evaluators natin. Kasi hindi lang kapital ang nabigay ng YFC, kundi hope. Dahil sa buong process nung provincial to regional presentations, nagkaroon ako ng a big exposure sa agribusiness. Natuto akong mag-business, natuto akong maging entrepreneur through the training na binibigay nila sa amin. At hindi lang kapital ang ibinigay nila sa akin kasi ini-ensure din nila na karoon kami ng training, coaching, mentoring, para mas alam namin kung ano ang dapat namin gawin. This is my microgreens farm. So, yung location po niya is makikita nyo is sa may sagingan, which is consider ko yung environment niya, yung hangin and yung sunlight na pwedeng makuha ng ating plants. Which is microgreens, they need the sunlight to improve their quality. Ang sukat ng proposed farm natin is 4 by 6 meters. So, sa location na to, yun yung pinaka-room pa lang niya. We can scale more for our processing part and for our future hydroponics part. So, I'm using organic manure made from animal waste, dried leaves, banana trunks, and ash is a natural and sustainable way to improve soil health, and this combination provides rich source of nutrients essential to plant growth such as nitrogen from animals, potassium from ash, and organic matter from dried leaf and banana trunk. Together, this material enhances soil structure, improves water retention, and support the growth of beneficial microorganisms, making it ideal for sustainable and eco-friendly farming practices.